If you feel like you're not charging enough as a creative, this video is for you. And so if you're a video business owner, video agency owner, you're struggling, you feel like, hey, I do amazing work, but I'm just not charging enough, or I feel like I'm getting taken advantage of from my clients because I do all this work, they don't respect me, they don't respect my prices, I don't feel like I'm charging enough. And the biggest thing and question I would ask you is, what if you could do less work and make more money? And so in today's video, we're going to be breaking down what a lot of our clients are doing to land high ticket retainers that ultimately are less work than what they were doing previously, but they're able to make more money for less time, effort, and sacrifice on their end. And so really what this comes down to is one thing, and it's results. And just to quickly recap, if you don't know me, my name is Eric Deeran. I run Master Filmmaker, and we've helped over 700 video agency owners charge more, land retainers, build a system to get more clients. And in these free YouTube videos, I'm breaking it down for you for free, so then you can take these lessons and apply them to your video or creative agency. And so one of the biggest reasons that most people are not charging enough is simply because they don't have results. And so what that means is they are making content for their clients and they don't actually know what problems they're solving in the business. And so as a creative, I know a lot of people are like, well, that's not my job and that's not, that's not my domain. But unfortunately, the rude awakening is with AI and with all these new pieces of tech coming on the scene. It's not about beautiful work anymore. It's about how do you actually take that beautiful work and apply it strategically for your clients so you can actually get them results. And so what I would say is you have to understand how your content solves a problem. And so in today's video, we're going to break down some of those things so then you can actually see how these pieces of content solve a problem and actually get your clients results. And so when you're in a discovery call with your clients, you want to figure out what is the main bottleneck that they're coming up against, right? So every business at the end of the day has a bottleneck. It's either they don't have enough clients, they don't have enough leads, they don't have enough followers, they don't have enough calls, they don't have enough people to actually help them service those clients. That's what it all comes down to. You have to figure out what is the main bottleneck. And so if the bottleneck is, let's say, sales, then they need more social content, they need more ad content, they need more content to actually get leads and calls in the door. If their bottleneck is we have a lot of sales, we have a lot of demand, but we don't have enough people to actually serve those clients, then the bottleneck is how do we create recruiting videos, content to train clients or people that work for you? How do we create a training library to get your people that you hire up to speed faster? How do we build out a recruiting pipeline with content so then you can actually bring more people in? So then once you fix the bottleneck of I don't have enough staff to actually service the clients that I have, then we switch over to how do I actually create content to then get more leads again? And so it's really two main things. It's either they don't have enough people to actually serve the clients that they have, or they don't have enough actual content or leads and they have enough people, but they don't have enough leads or clients. Those are the main two problems you're going to run up against with clients that you're working with. You have to identify what is that main problem, what is the main thing holding them back, and then prescribe a content solution to actually help them solve that problem. And so if it is the front end, then we need to build some sort of ad system. We need to build some sort of content system. We need to build some sort of content engine to get more leads, calls, and clients in the door for them. And then if it's more of a staff problem, then we need to make recruiting videos, hiring videos, training videos, videos that get people up to speed faster so they don't have to do a repetitive process of training people every single time. So those are kind of the two spectrums of issues that you're going to run into, and you need to figure out on that discovery call that you have with the potential client, which problem do they have, and then how can you actually help them solve that problem. And I promise you, if you can show them that spectrum of here's the problem, here's how we solve it, and then this is the type of content I'm going to create for you to actually solve that problem, then it's not about, how much content you create for them or how beautiful the content is. It's about how effective is that content in helping them make more money. And if they have, and it's all about, at the end of the day, guys, just like expanding the problem. So if the problem is a $200,000 a month problem, then why wouldn't you be able to charge $15,000 a month to solve that problem? If the problem is $1 million a month problem, why wouldn't you be able to charge $50,000 to $100,000 a month to solve that problem for them? The answer is you can. And it doesn't matter how much work I do if I can solve the problem. It's like the plumber comes to your house and you have a massive leak. The plumber comes in, spends 5 minutes, fixes the leak, and it's good. Like, and he charges you, let's say he charges you like $2,000. That's fine because he solved the problem, because he has the experience to solve the problem. You're not paying him to create, to, spend a bunch of time, work hours and hours on end to solve the problem. You just want your problem solved quickly and effectively. And that's what your clients want with content. I think a lot of times we forget that, and you have to remember that as a video agency. They don't care about how beautiful the content is. It is all about results. And to be honest with you, I have clients that don't do, and for me, I'm not the best DP or cinematographer in the world, right? I understand the problems that I'm solving with strategy, with content, and we have clients that aren't the best. They don't create the best content in the world, but they close larger deals than some of our clients who have amazing content, because it's not about how beautiful the content is. It's about how effectively you can solve your client's problems. So just a short video, wanted to just make a quick YouTube video on that. If you guys have any questions or want to learn more about what we do here at Master Filmmaker, click the link below, schedule a demo with our team. If not, keep enjoying the free YouTube videos, and we will see you in the next one.